You're watching weekly CFD overview of the global financial markets. The euro strengthened against the US currency as a reaction to the dovish comment about future interest rate hike by Fed Chairman Janet Yellen. Also, a right-wing option was defeated in Holland election, which removed one hard item from the euro problems list. Hence, political risk in eurozone is relaxed. On Tuesday, the euro continued north and made a major breakout of the 1.08 level. The day before, the overall impression was that Marine Le Pen lost the presidential debate against her major counterpart, Macron. Last week, the British pound strengthened against the dollar due to weakening dollar against all major currencies. The optimism of one of the board members of the Bank of England further boosted the prevailing trend. Namely, he voted for the increase of the Bank of England's interest rate. On Tuesday, the UK CPI data were higher than expected, which strengthened the overall rising trend for the British currency. Similarly, the dollar is in a declining trend against the Japanese yen and is testing the 112 level. The Bank of Japan meeting last week did not leave any room for surprise, so the interest rate stayed in the negative territory. The global equity markets were mainly up during the last week. Economic news such as increase in Fed interest rate and the Dutch parliamentary elections were in line with investors' expectations. In addition, increases in the commodities prices supported the equity market. The gold price continues to climb for the fourth consecutive day, adding gains. The rising trend started last Wednesday after a dovish speech from the US Federal Reserve. The speech left investors in doubt about how many rate hikes would be forthcoming this year, with a minimum of 3 expected before Yellen's speech. It seems the trend was stopped on Tuesday. After the unexpected rise in Saudi production, the oil price slightly recovered from a steep decline due to announcements from OPEC that further production curbs might be expected. However, the bearish trend prevailed on Tuesday afternoon. You were watching the weekly CFD overview of the global financial market.